Hello artists, and welcome to Day 12, Monster 12, the three-eyed juggler monster. Looks like it's going to be a lot of symmetrical drawing again with curves on either side of the center line. Since this guy is juggling, he needs to have his hands established, so it takes time to work on the hands and make sure it's got 3 cartoon fingers and a thumb so that he can throw the eyeball back and forth. In his open mouth, you're going to need to establish his tongue, big tongue sticking out and curving around. This just adds a little more interest to the character. And then don't forget to add some teeth. I chose to make my three-eyed monster juggling and also to make him sort of blue-green color, but pick whatever color you want to work with and assemble like several colors in that palette. So I have like a blue and a green and a blue-green to work with right now. In this step, you can separate his teeth by outlining. I'm using dark blue, and then I'm filling in between the teeth and around the tongue to make the teeth stand out. And then I'm adding red and red texture to that greasy tongue of his. Now I'm going to take a little light shading with a pencil, maybe the same blue pencil, and put a little overhanging, watch me now, a little overhanging shadow, cast shadow under his upper lip to give a little depth and dimension to this guy. And then we're going to finish him off with a shadow underneath him. And this three-eyed juggling crazy monster is done. Hey, don't forget to like and subscribe and tell your friends about all my monstrous adventures. On to day 13 tomorrow.